Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 40 SE, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, doing so will also allow you to get rid of screen locks if you have one set that you don't know. Now, there's also another possibility that when you do this, your device will become FRP locked. And just to clarify what that is, it's basically a lock that forces you to confirm either your Google account or the previous used screen lock once you're going through the setup of the device. Now, typically you would basically be forced into doing so, and if you can't, you'd be left with a brick. But I do have a bypass for this, so I already did actually record this video. So you can check that out if you're interested on how to get rid of it if you need to without providing any kind of information. Now, a bit of a shameless plug, but hopefully some people might find this useful. Now, to get started, I'm going to unlock the device and progress from here, from the lock screen. So let's hold our power button and select power off. Now, when the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now, you want to give it just a couple of seconds once it turns off, which is indicated by the vibration. And then hold these two keys. When you see the TCL logo, let go of the power button. This will take you to the recovery mode. So in here, using volume keys to navigate up or down, you want to scroll down in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it using your power button, then select Factory Data Reset. Now at the end of this process, you will see Data Wipe Complete, and Reboot System now will be selected by default, so press your power button once again to initiate the said reboot, which will continue factory resetting your device in the background, and because of that, the device will take a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once the process is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.